Hi everyone, very good evening to all of you. I hope that I am audible. Yes, I know I won't be visible right now, but am I audible? Hi Coptic, welcome to the class. Good evening. Okay. So let's get started. Yes, okay, great. So today we are going to study the commerce. Okay, we have studied so much of paper 1 and paper 1. So right now we will be taking the legal aspect of business, that is Competition Act 2002. So I hope that you are ready, that you will be understanding what is Competition Act 2002. I will be telling you about the NTA UGC NET exam oriented questions also, that whatever questions that have come in your exam or what types of questions that come in your exam related to this topic. So this is your unit number 9, commerce, right, from commerce syllabus, paper 2 commerce. Okay, and but before that I would just like to introduce myself. That is, my name is Niharika Bhagtani and I have qualified JRF in commerce. Okay, and yes, one more information I would like to give you, that kindly enroll in the new batches for June 2021 very soon. That is, take a plus subscription soon before the price hike, because today 24th December is the last day of the subscription. See, the current prices are like this. For 1 month they are 2100, 5250, 9450, 11550 and 16800. But after today, that is from tomorrow, it will be 2900, 7250, 1350, 15950, 23200. So this will be prices from tomorrow. So if you are planning for your June 2021 examination and you want the full course of your paper 1 as well as paper 2 in a systematic manner, as well as if you want the whole complete PDF, the whole material, whole access of the Unacademy Plus platform, then kindly enroll it today. That will be beneficial for you. Otherwise Christmas पे भारी पड़ जाएगा. So it will be like you can also use my referral code NiharikaLIVE. That is also given in the description of this video, NiharikaLIVE. You will get 10% discount on your subscription. Okay, also one more information I would like to give you, that from 5 p.m. KVS Madan sir has have come on Unacademy. So after this lecture also you can see the live recorded KVS Madan sir interview only exclusively on Unacademy platform. So sir is live today on Unacademy. That is Christmas special lesson. Yes, I'm not visible. Yes. I am. I know you can't see me because today you will be only able to hear me because I'm having some eye pain. So that's why I've kept the video off. Coptic, that sir, KVS Madan sir is the book author of the KVS Madan book, which is very renowned book for paper 1. So sir is coming on Unacademy platform for conversation with the students. Good evening. Yeah, Sapna. Yeah, no video today. Okay. Hi Miraj. Okay, hi Gyaswami. Welcome to class. Okay, and yes, also if you are not following me on Unacademy yet, then you can follow me on Unacademy via this link. I have qualified JRF in commerce with 99.83 percentile, and I've also done Mcom. I'm also a CA finalist. So this link of this my Unacademy profile is given in the description of this video also, and You can also join my Telegram channel, that is Next Niharika. You will get all the links of all the lessons that I post for Unacademy. So before any lesson, you will get link only on the Telegram channel, that is Next Niharika. My voice is enough to motivate. Oh, thank you so much. Yeah. Today, there will be no video. So sorry for that. But we will be having. We will be interacting so much that you will not feel that we are not having any video. Trust me. Okay, just for this lesson. Okay, so also there is one way to follow me on Unacademy is to go on Unacademy profile, type my name, click on the follow button, and if you have any queries related to subscription, you can message me here on this message button. Okay, and I have already started paper 1 complete course from 15 December. So today I have started ICT, Information Communication Technology. So I teach paper 1 1.5 hours on Unacademy Plus platform, and paper 2 1.5 hours on Unacademy Plus platform. So some days there are like 3 hours there are classes on Unacademy Plus platform for paper 1 and paper 2. So on Unacademy Plus you can complete both paper 1 and paper 2, all 20 units of your syllabus. And this is the special class schedule of the Unacademy free live classes, where you don't have to pay but you can attend these classes from 28, 29 and 30. These 3 days 7 p.m. 7 p.m. will be the free sessions, rapid fire round of paper 1 communication and ICT, and 31st December 10 a.m. will be again rapid fire round communication technology part 2. So kindly come on Unacademy at 7 p.m. and then 31st December ko 10 a.m. Take a screenshot of this schedule, or you can come on my profile on Unacademy and then click on the enroll button or notify me button in this lesson, and you will get the notification. Now, see, the benefits of joining these courses are you will get the PDFs also, free PDFs also for revision, and these are just for today. These prices are just for today. So if you want to get plus subscription, you can get it today. Okay, so let's start with the Competition Act 2002. That is, see, first of all, let us see the timeline of the Competition Act. Okay, so the timeline is that first is MRTP Act was there in 1961, and after the MRTP Act, slowly and gradually, it got advancement. Then prohibition for monopolistic and unfair restrictive trade practices came. Practice liberalization came in 1991, and after that Competition Act came in 2002. So before Competition Act 2002, what was there? It was MRTP Act 1969, and latest Competition Act Amendment Act is in which year? 2007. So you have to remember that this is 2007 amended act, and original year of Competition Act is what? 2002. So ma'am, what comes in exam? This comes in exam, that Competition Act has been replaced by which act, in which year, and which is the original year. So you have to remember these years. Okay. Hi Shyamal, welcome to class. I hope that you all know that. Okay, I can't have the video on because of my eye pain today, so that's why. So let's see what is competition. Competition is what it is a situation. Basically, what is competition? Whether competition is a positive act or a negative act. Kindly tell me. Is it a positive act or a negative act? Or you can say both. What are your thoughts on the competition? They are positive, negative, or both? They can be definitely both. Perfect, right? Why both? Because both. See, in competition, if we consider the competitor or it as a healthy competition, that it's good. Sometimes our competitor, do you know, sometimes our competitor motivate us. They motivate us कि नहीं, you have to get up. See, I am studying so much. Suppose I am also a student, है ना? Before clearing my JRF, even I was also a student. So suppose we all are friends. Now I will say this na, अरे I am studying so much, so why are you not studying? You should also study. So that is what, that is a healthy competition, that is a positive competition. And suppose if I think कि no, you are my competitor, why should I tell you that I am studying? Then that will be a negative competition. But due to competition, consumer will get product at a reasonable price. It avoids monopoly also. Perfectly right. So it can work in both ways, but what government wants, that it should be a healthy competition. Okay, so see, it is a situation in a market in which the firms or the sellers independently strive for the buyers. That means what? That means, see, the firms, the big firms, or the small sellers, vendors, retailers, they are aiming for the buyers. These big firms. Which are these big firms? Like for example, Reliance Industry. Okay, Reliance is a firm, or the retailers which you see in your colony, they are single sole sellers. Okay, so they all approach the buyers na. Everybody approach the buyers, right? Okay, now why they approach? For which motive? The motive is to earn either profit, okay, or sales or market share. That means they want to earn money, or they want to increase their sales, or they want to have the market share. Okay, it is the foundation of an efficiently working market system. Acha, see, in this page these three terms are really important. Okay, that why this competition is there, for what objective? This is the objective. Okay, also the motive is self-interest. What is the motive? Self-interest, but not to overcome mostly beneficial for the society, but outcome mostly beneficial for the society will be there. Okay, that means self-interest should not be that कि अगर suppose if सिर्फ और सिर्फ bad things, like maybe if we are interested only and only in profits, then do you know that we have most of the profits in drugs and all that? Okay, they have very huge profits. Can we manufacture more and more drugs to have more and more profit? No, it should be for the benefit of the society, right? Competition is not just an event, it's a process. It is a daily competition. If you're competing now with your competitor, that you want to get your JRF, then trust me, that is not just one day event. Okay, every person who is a winner, that is not a one day game, that is not a luck, that is a process. So your competition will be also a process till you reach your destination. That will be everyday process. It is not automatic, it needs to be nurtured. You need to manage your schedule, you need to manage what is right, what is wrong. Okay, so that is competition. But related to Competition Act 2002, what we can see is, what is the object behind the enactment of the Competition Act? See, this object or objective, they have come in your previous year questions. Now see, you can also see this, that there are 4 points, 1, 2, 3 and this 4, right? Okay, so if there are any 4 points in your whole commerce or paper 1, they themselves create their own importance, है ना? They create their own importance कि नहीं, I am important because I am having 4 points. And in MCQ also you are having 4 points, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have to take which one is right, which one is wrong. So any 1 point will be given as wrong, right? And you have to tell that which point is wrong and the other ones will be right. See, what is the objective behind the enactment of the competition? See this. To prevent the practices having adverse effect on the competition. That means the competition should be good side or the bad side. It should be the good side competition. But so the objective is to prevent. That means to keep it away, to stay it away. The practices having adverse effect यानी उल्टा इफेक्ट जिस कंपटीशन पे हो रहा है ना, उस कंपटीशन को प्रिवेंट करना. ठीक है, किसी की टांग नहीं खींचनी है, बस अपने हिसाब से प्रॉपरली ट्रू एंड फेयर व्यू से compete करना है. ओके, टू प्रमोट एंड सस्टेन कंपटीशन इन द मार्केट. प्रमोट भी करना है competitions and sustain. That means you have to retain also. It is not just a one time game, it is a process. So that is also an objective. Okay, next, to protect the interest of the consumers. Now in the competition, in that rat race of competition, do not forget that you have to protect the interest of the consumers. Also to ensure that the freedom of trade is carried on by the other participants in the market in India and for the matters connected therewith or incidental thereto. That means you have to say that that there is freedom of trade. That means we should not stop any person from trading anything, right? Okay, so I think that is clear. That is to prevent, promote, protect. 3. P and freedom of trade. P and freedom of trade. I hope that is clear. That is the objective behind the enactment of the Competition Act 2002. Okay, next, so what is the benefit of competition? What is the benefit of competition? Here, see, it increases the efficiency, right? Like suppose you are studying, right? You are studying. So don't you think your study and your competitor's study both will motivate each other? Like suppose you both are best friends, then don't you motivate each other in the competition that you are having the same kind of syllabus, same kind of exam. So let us both get pass, both get JRF, right? So awesome trick to memorize. Okay, thank you so much, Coptic. See, so it is like efficiency will increase, cost saving operations will be there, because see, suppose Coptic, we both are having similar kind of business in some area of India. Let us take any area like Haryana, okay? And I want to get material from any place like Jammu. Then what I will get raw material combinedly, and I will share the raw material, or I will tell you कि कोई बात नहीं, I am bringing the raw material and I will share that 50% with you. So don't you think the double transportation cost will be saved, है ना? So that will be due to, that will increase the cost saving operations, because 2 times traveling will not be required na. Also better utilization of resources is there. That means less of wastage will be there. Coptic, yes sir, I wish I can meet you in real. I wish this too, so you can get your JRF and then definitely we will meet. Tab tak to you are busy now, you are busy in studying. After that we can meet. So consumer, wide choice of goods at the competitive price is there. Government generates the revenue. However, all these benefits are lost if the competition is unfair or non-existent. That means, Miraj, you were saying na, if the competition does not exist, that means there is a sole monopoly. Then what will be the benefit of competition? Nothing, because competition is not there, right? Okay, now let us see. There are certain definitions of competition, that is like agreement is there. So this definition, this part has come like, you know, many times in your exam, or 2-3 times in your exam. That agreement, what is agreement basically? is agreement only in written form, or it can be an oral agreement also? It can be an oral agreement also, na? Right? See, an agreement can be an arrangement or the understanding or an action which is formal or in writing. That means which is either oral or in written. It can be both, right? It can be both. So, like, suppose we are friends, right? Suppose. So, don't you think we can have an agreement ki nahi, theek hai, we will sell these goods, like suppose I will sell these goods in this area only and you will sell these goods in this area only, theek hai? So that we will have an arrangement, an agreement, or maybe an understanding, and accordingly an action will be taken that you will sell your goods in this area and I will sell in this area. We will not collab, or we will not fight with each other for the customers, right? So it can be oral agreement, mutual understanding, or it can be written also. So this question comes like 2-3 times it has come related to these 3 terms, also related to this one, okay? And the agreement has section 2 subsection B. So we can do 2B, B for agreement, B for agreement, B for agreement, like that. If you will say these sections 4-5 times, then I'm sure that most of the sections you will be able to recall. And now, what is written? Whether or not such agreement, understanding, or action is intended to be enforceable by legal proceedings. That means, Abhi, tell me one thing. Suppose you are having an agreement with your father or your mother that if I will get the JRF, then mummy, papa, get me an iPhone. That is an agreement, that is an arrangement, that is an understanding, right? Now suppose you actually clear your JRF, and suppose your father or mother don't get you an iPhone, then what can you say? कि आपने अपना agreement पूरा नहीं किया, will you take anybody from the family in court? नहीं ना, we cannot sue anybody from the, we usually don't do कि नहीं, I will sue you in the court. No, that will be too funny. Okay, so that means this agreement, this informal agreement is on the basis of understanding, but it does not have legal proceeding. It cannot be enforceable by law. We cannot sue our family members in the court कि नहीं आपने आईफोन नहीं लेके दिया तो आपको कोर्ट में लेके जाएंगे क्योंकि आपने अग्रीमेंट को फॉलो नहीं किया. That is wrong. Okay, so that is why it is said कि ज़रूरी नहीं है, it is not necessary that all the agreements are enforceable by legal proceedings. अच्छा, आपके केस में नो. अच्छा, पापा ही एडवोकेट है तो आप कंप्लेन किसके पास करोगे? वाओ, अमेजिंग, ये तो बहुत फनी हो गया. ये आप अपने पापा को आज बताइए केस कि सारे एग्रीमेंट्स देखो इसलिए एनफोर्सेबल बाय लीगल प्रोसीडिंग्स नहीं होते हैं, तो मतलब यू गॉट दैट, यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग उनकी लाइन. ओके, सो हाँ, सो दैट मीन्स कैन आई से कि अगर कोई कॉन्ट्रैक्ट सपोज इफ वन एग्रीमेंट इज एनफोर्सेबल बाय लॉ, suppose if it is enforceable by law, then what it becomes a contract, है ना, that on which we have to legally bound कि हाँ ओके वो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट तो फॉलो करना ही है, वी हैव टू फॉलो दैट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, अदरवाइज एनीबडी कैन sue in the court, right? हाँ, so that's how agreement will work. Achha, now agreement can be an horizontal agreement or a vertical agreement. Horizontal agreement are basically the agreements between same line of people, like maybe two wholesalers, different wholesalers, two manufacturers, two retailers in the same line. Whereas vertical agreements can be between, like for example, this is manufacturer and this is wholesaler, ठीक है, and this is retailer, and so on. ठीक है, so this is a vertical agreement. Like this, we have certain terms like acquisition. Okay, acquisition means what? Where we acquire. Acquisition means what? Where we acquire directly or indirectly or agree to acquire the shares, voting rights, or the assets of any enterprise, or control over the management or control over the asset of any enterprise. कैसे? See, या तो company A, like suppose we are from Reliance company, we all are from Reliance company. Example. We want to acquire some right in some other company, which is XYZ company. How we will acquire the rights? First of all, either we will purchase its major shares, ठीक है, or we will have the voting rights, or our management will be the part of management of XYZ company also. That means the directors, managers, they will be almost same. Is that clear? ठीक है, so that means we are acquiring the control. Now what is cartel? C for cartel, C for section C. C for cartel, C for section C. Cartel means, suppose there are certain sellers, na? There are 10 sellers. We all are so many sellers in the market, but now we sellers, that is me, ठीक है, Shyamal, Coptic and Miraj, ठीक है, we all sellers are making a cartel कि नहीं, we 4 people only will limit the production, that नहीं इतना ही prices, production, supply plus sale, distribution, everything in the market as well as the prices. That no, bhale market price is what? Market price of the product is 150 rupees. Of this particular product, it is 150 rupees. But we will make sure that we will sell this product in how much rupees? In 100 rupees. Then that means all the people will suddenly come towards us, even all the loyal customers will also come towards us, and we will be the king of the market. ठीक है, then when all the customers are towards us, then we will control the production and supply. After that we will say कि नहीं supply तो इतना ही है, only this much supply is left, and we will again rise the prices because all the customers are with us only. Yes, definitely right Miraj, जैसा क्रूड ऑयल कंपनी कार्टेल हो सकता है, definitely है. So this way we have to study. And yes, अच्छा, are the sections important? Yes, in legal aspects, sections, first of all, unit number 9 में and unit number 10 में years. First of all, यहाँ पे first importance give to years. All the years of all the acts like Competition Act, LLP Act, Partnership Act, Sale of Goods Acts, Negotiable Instrument Act, all the acts are in your course. ठीक है, one act is in your course. So all the acts के years, and try to learn the main sections. Like not the subsections but the sections. Now if you are thinking ma'am har jagah if it is section 2, here also it is section 2 subsection 1, here also it is section 2 subsection C, then let me tell you, in legal aspect of business, in the whole law, all the definitions are defined in section 2 of that particular act. So every act will have certain definitions which will be included in section 2. FEMA, FERA, all the years you have to learn. Section 2. Good evening Meenu, welcome to class. So person includes many people. You have to learn that person includes what, because this is important for your unit 9 also and unit 10 also, which is your unit 10 income tax. So you will learn individual, HUF, company, firm. Person can be any person who is the buyer or the seller. So these can be the persons: HUF, Hindu, undivided family, company, firm, AOP, association of person, is what? AOP. Okay. Then next is any corporation or any body corporate, a cooperative society, local authority, which you call LA, or AJP. AJP are who? Artificial judicial person, or you can say them as etc. जो भी इस list में fit नहीं आए as a person, you can give them the list under artificial judicial person. That means any etc. person will be counted under this category. For me, it is really difficult to memorize the date years. अच्छा, so see, वैसे तो when I teach the full course of legal aspect, I will be taking your legal aspect completely also. अच्छा नहीं, I've already taught on Unacademy Plus 12 classes में I have taught. So see, I make sure कि 2 classes में मैं learn करवा देती हूँ. That all the students should learn, including the whole notes and tables. मतलब कि पूरे के पूरे on one page. Even when I try to memorize ना, तो Coptic, what you can do is you can take a page, you can write all the acts from the syllabus and then corresponding years in front of them and start learning them. Otherwise you can learn with me also, right? Okay, so that's it. I think there are many definitions like shares, appellate tribunal, goods, statutory authority, and all that, so that we can study in detailed course, right? All the detailed course mein we can study. But what are the types of competition that you should know definitely as you are studying the Competition Act? That is a prize competition. Yes, that is a prize competition. That means a competition for prize, winning customers by lowering the price, as I told you, normally in cartel. And a non-price competition, like winning customers by advertising, offering after sale services. कि okay, कोई बात नहीं, you have purchased mobile from me, I will also give you the after sale services. कुछ भी problem हो, any problem in your mobile, in your screen, in your laptop, I will repair it. That is the after sale services. And using the sales promotion tools, those are the non-price competition, where the rupees are not used. Rupees are not the main sword. Other things are the main sword, right? And there can be a fair competition also and an unfair competition also, right? So which type of competition which should we use? Usually the fair competition, to win the customers for a longer period of time, not the unfair competition. Okay? That's it for today. I think we have done this competition. You can see the difference between the MRTP and competition. MRTP was previously given and now Competition Act has been done. Now Competition Act 2002 has come, an amendment, a Competition Act 2007 has come. So you can see the difference also. There is a lot of difference which was really important. Other than that, all the details we can study in the detailed course of legal aspect. Till now I have taught legal aspect in 14 lessons on Unacademy. I have taught in 14 lessons for 1.5 hours each. And again I will be teaching you on Unacademy Plus platform for the upcoming June 2021 examination. Okay, and that's it. And also I will be giving you the practice of legal aspect, practice questions, and MCQs and PYQs, previous year questions of legal aspect. And these practice questions I love, because I also make these questions for you, because this legal aspect has been introduced in your course from 2019. Before that it was not there in your course. So I specifically make questions so that you can grab more and more knowledge. Since I'm from the CA background, so I'm well aware of the legal aspect. So that's it for today. If you want to learn the full course of competition of legal aspect of paper 2 commerce, then you can join Unacademy Plus platform, and you can, don't forget to follow me on Unacademy. And if you like the lesson, don't forget to click on the like button of this lesson. Okay? And yes, you can also follow me on Unacademy. I give free classes on Unacademy also, certain free classes for practice. And don't forget that tomorrow the prices will hike. So this is the new prices, and these are the old prices for today. Okay, so if you want to join Unacademy Plus, join it today. This is the last day. Don't forget to use my referral code NiharikaLIVE. You will get 10% discount on your subscription, because tomorrow the prices will rise. Okay, full course is available on Unacademy Plus platform only. And free platform pay, you will get 28th, 29th, 30 and 31 ko 4 lessons are there. Okay, so you can come on my profile here, and you can come to special classes, click on see all, and you can select the class and click on notify me button here, like it is given a live in 6 days and all. Your notify me will come. So you can click on notify me button, so that you will get notification on time before the lecture, and you don't miss the lecture of rapid fire rounds of this. Nahi, YouTube nahi. This is on Unacademy, free live class schedule of Unacademy. And if you are new student, then you can unlock my courses by typing NIX28, that is the code. Then you can unlock my free classes and then join the class. So that's it for today. Thank you and have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, and you can like this video. Thank you so much, and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. We will see you on YouTube in the next year, I promise, with video. Ma'am, please take care of yourself. Yes, thank you so much, Miraj. I will.